Hello and welcome to Art Therapy. In today's video, I'm going to show you 6 doodle ideas for you to try when you're bored. A lot of us have been there when we're craving to draw something but we run out of ideas. So here's your inspiration. I've divided this rectangle into 6 boxes, and in the first box I'm drawing random blobs. You can start with pattern that you like, but I've drawn these blobs and they really look nice. You can fill them up by a pointer or a soft liner, but I like it this way. In the second square, I'm drawing squares. And honestly, this is so satisfying. I'm even using a ruler because I was of the view I might mess up with the lines. Third square has some wavy lines that will intersect each other like this. And some random blobs again, but distant ones. And this one looks like an amoeba if you remember it from the biology. You can add smiley faces to it. You can add color to it if you like. Fifth block is like a spider web. You make a center point in your draw lines that reach the outward corners, and then you make little lines. These are circles. Don't make straight lines. Make them like they're aligned at the center, like this, a curved kind of line. And honestly, this was the most satisfying block. And last but not the least, a message to yourself and a message to my past and future self and present as well. Dream big. I hope you like this doodle idea, or you can call it a mood board. Thanks for watching.